Alright, I have a John Deere 250 Series 2. This is a 2004 model. The issue that I've been having is the alternator not charging. I replaced the alternator, still no charging. With some research, I found that there is a diode right here. This diode is normally wrapped in rubber, and I cut it all off. I wanted to see what was going on in there. And so I am making my own harness. The dealership, although they can get it, they want $90, and it'll take 4 or 5 days to get it. So what I have done here is right there, you see the yellow wire. Bear with me, where's that yellow? Okay, yellow wire. There it is, yellow and brown. Okay, yeah, yellow and brown. I snipped that end off. Yellow, brown. Yellow runs straight through to this diode here and around, back to brown. Yellow runs straight through, connected to this orange. Orange goes to the alternator, which is the exciter wire. Here's my fix. This will be brown. This will be yellow. It's going to run straight through to blue. Blue is going to come up, go to my alternator. Inside of here, my mini fuse holder, I have a diode. This is the diode. I don't know if it's going to focus or not, but I'm trying. There's a diode inside my mini fuse holder. I'm about to hook this up. Heat shrink. And install the alternator. And show the results. Be right back.